Good morning, students. We are reading about arguments for democracy. First two arguments we have read in favor of democracy. First, a democratic government is a better government because it is a more accountable form of government. In the democracy, the government is accountable or responsible to the people. First arguments in favor of democracy that we have seen, and second we have seen that democracy it improves the quality of decision making, as many people are involved to take the decision. The people they discuss the matters among themselves and then they take the decision. So this improves the quality of decision making. There is no chance of taking any irresponsible decisions in democracy. Now coming to the third point in favor of democracy, this is related to the third argument. Democracy, it provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. Why? Because while the different people they are taking part in discussion, they are keeping their own views, own opinions regarding the matter, and naturally these opinions, these views, it may differ from each other, and it may raise the conflicts also, but till it provides a method to deal with these differences and conflicts, and by dealing these differences and conflicts, the decision it is coming out. In any society, people are bound to have differences of opinions and interests. These differences are particularly sharp in a country like ours, which has an amazing social diversity. In our country, there is the social diversity in religion, language, caste, color, etc. So these all are the social diversity. So these differences we see in our country, but till these differences we see that there is the unity. People belong to different regions, speak different languages, practice different religions, and have different castes. They look at the world very differently and have different preferences. It is obvious, as people they belong to different castes, different language, they speak in different language, they practice different religions, so they will have the different preferences. So these preferences of one group can clash with those of other groups. Then how do we resolve such a conflict? This is the only way that in democracy only this conflict it can be resolved. The conflict it can be solved by brutal power. Whichever group is more powerful will dictate its terms and others will have to accept that. This is telling about the other form of government like autocracy, the dictatorship, monarchy, etc., where the conflict it is resolved by brutal power, means forcefully. Whichever group is more powerful will dictate its terms and others will have to accept that. But in democracy it doesn't happen. It would lead to resentment and unhappiness. Different groups may not be able to live together for long in such a way. So democracy provides the only peaceful solution to this problem.